Here's how you can map the trend of total conversations in different month. This one shows for July, August, September, October, and more months to come. Just put them in your original file and hit refresh all over here, and the data will be updated. This is the view at the most down level. If you want to summarize it according to months, just click this minus over here, and if you want to look more closely at the days within the months, click the plus button over here. This one gives you the filter to check out the values for specific date. Deselect all. Let's say you want to check for 21st of October, right? Click OK, and these are 340 conversations, and just go back and reset it doing this. Okay, this will reset it. For months it's similar. I might need to remove these values that aren't standard. So how about we just check for the month of October, and this is for 7th October, this is 14, this is 21st. And now coming to the slicers, if you want to check only the current clients, just click yes, it will update it according to the current clients, and no for the previous clients you've had, reset it using this. If you want to check for different reps and different users, click over here, and this will summarize according to each user. And if you want to check for multiple users, click this button, and then you can check for multiple reps in your organization. Reset it using this. Reset this button if you want to just do select one rep by time. Same way the account is working for you. These are the campaigns, and do multi-select like this. Scroll down if you want to check another one. Reset it using this, and yeah, that's about it.